Hi everyone, today we're going to work on lab 8.1.8, create OUs. So let's start this lab. And the OU stands for organizational unit, so that's going to be a container within the domain. So here's the scenario. You are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You have just installed Active Directory on a new Hyper-V guest server named corpdc. You need to create an Active Directory organizational structure. The Active Directory structure will be based on the company's departmental structure. In this lab, your task is to create the following OUs in the corpnet.local domain. So let's go to corp server, and then again to corpdc, we're going to double click that. Go to tools, Active Directory users and computers, and then to corporate net local. So here's what's in there right now, and then we're going to click this icon over here. That's a folder, and it says create a new organizational unit in the current container. Go ahead and click that. We're going to copy this, accounting, paste, okay. Then go ahead and click corpnet.local each time you do this. Click create a new OU, admins, and next, marketing, research and development, sales, servers. Yeah, just make sure you click corpnet.local every time so you don't create a folder within there. So what do we click? Servers, so support. And then last one, workstations. Okay. And then create the following OUs in the sales container. So we're going to click the sales folder right here, the container, and then click the icon, the folder icon, and we're going to make sales managers. Okay, and then click sales again. Click the folder icon and make temp sales copied. Okay, so that should be it. We're going to click check answers. And that's 100% right, and you're all done with that lab.